Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Slack for tasks. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply just logging in or access to your Slack working space. After that, you might like go for any channel that you would like, or you can simply create a private channel for you. And also you can have like your own canvases, and from there you will be able to start create a new canva, and from there you can have it like to be a private one. So as you can see, this one is private, and then you can create a new one. So by clicking on your canva, you can, for example, create a new tracker. That means like uh, a task tracker, or you can simply for your own channel or on your private DMs, you can start like tracking your tasks. So for example, here I'm going just to go for these templates, and basically this is a to-do list. So I'm just going to click on use templates, and from here you will be able to start adding your or start editing on these templates. So to do or day, to do or whatever. From here you can add whatever you would like as task, and basically they are checklists. So as you can see, if we go to their type, they are checklists, and for each for example these headers, you can just like go to heading, and you can choose whatever the heading that you want it to be. And from there you can start like managing the Canva however you'd like it, and basically you will be needing just like either to copy link or whatever. You can start like using it whenever you'd like. So this is our Canva, and from basically you will be able to start using it whenever you'd like. So I'm just going to check this one, and let's just go back, and from here you will be able to start like checking it whenever you'd like. And at the end, you can like delete the Canva or uncheck this one and restart it, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.